And speaking of that heat, extreme temperatures can impact your mental health. The National Center for Biotechnology Information says high temperatures can cause anxiety and unease as the body's stress response is activated. The National Desk, Geoff Harris joining us. Geoff, extreme heat, it's a real concern for millions of Americans. And he spoke with a doctor tonight, which he's saying can be done to protect both your physical and mental health.
Dee Dee, she says it really comes down to taking preventative steps and, if needed, adjusting your schedule to make sure your body and brain do not get overworked, something that especially applies to people who work outside.
Jason Beckler isn't just a dad and husband. He's also a longshoreman in Staten Island, a job where you spend all day outside working on a ship.
When it's like brutally hot out here, like it almost comes home with me.
Beckler says he's had this job for the past 20 years, and the summers really take a toll, not only physically, but also mentally.
I'm irritable, I'm normally a very, happy, it takes a lot to bring me to that level.
Dr. Leigh Richardson, director of the Brain Performance Center in Dallas, says extreme heat causes our brains to activate faster, threatening our mental well-being.
Heat makes your brain a little bit foggy. It impacts your autonomic nervous system.
She tells us too much exposure to the heat can lead to increased anxiety, stress, and even road rage.
That's our body going into a state of unbalance. And that's where that irritation comes from.
And it's something Beckler sees firsthand while on the job.
Everyone's just a different type of attitude. Everybody's a little bit on edge.
Now, Richardson says anticipation is also something to consider when talking about mental health. For example, when someone knows their car will be hot in the afternoon, she says that can also cause anxiety and stress. Reporting for the National Desk, I'm Geoff Harris.